In this video, I will show you how to create the global header using Elementor. So I'll go to the Elementor WordPress dashboard, and right now let's see, we have the menu pages to create the menu, and the menu is also ready. Here you can see the menu is also created with the name main menu. So that's mean we are ready to go. I'll go to the Elementor. In the editor, I'll go to the settings, and in the settings we have the theme builder option, or you will have the theme builder option here as well. So we'll go to the theme builder, and here in the header we'll click on it, and now here it will give us some options to create the reuse the already created headers. So we'll go for the blank. From here we will go, and I'll select this container, main container. And now what we need a logo, menu, and the contact button. So I'll go here, I'll add click on it, and then I'll add the image, and I'll add the logo here. You can see. Now next I'll go to the plus icon and menu, select the WordPress menu, and right now we have only one menu, main menu, so this is all by default selected. But if you have more than one menu, then you can go in the drop down and select your desired menu that you want to add in the header. And next we need the button, so I'll click on it, I'll go to the button, and I'll add the button here. So you can see now. Let's publish it, save and close. Let's see on the front end how it looks. Right now you can see all the elements in the header, they are a line left. So I'll go back in the editor, and I'll go here, and here we have some content, justified content options. From here we can select like this one that is by default, and in the center we can do that. And let's see how it look on the front end now. Here you can see now all the elements are aligned left, aligned center. But what we our layout is, the logo is on the left side, and then on the right side there is a menu and the button. So let's see which option can work for us. So here is some options like space around and space evenly. So these two can work if you have a different layout. Let's see this one, and let's say you see it's on the front end, everything is separated, and there is a equal gap between them. Here you can see the logo on the left side, and then in the center there is a menu, then on the right side there is a button, or we can say it call to action. But we need to go for this layout, which is not available by default in the justified content. So what we will do, we will delete it, and we will go for a, here you can see this layout container, or we can just create, can go here and we can just take it, and then we can add the containers manually. You can add it, and then we will okay, from here user preferences, there is quick edit options. Now let's go back. Here you can see now when I hover, it will show me options to cross and duplicate. So I'll duplicate it, and I'll duplicate it again. So in this I'll add the image, and I'll use select the logo, and here I'll go and menu, add the menu widget. Here you can see, and then here I'll add the button widgets. I'll go here, drag and drop the button here. Now we will adjust the size of these containers. I'll go with it with 25%. I'll give it 25% space. Okay, after that I'll give it 62% width. After that I'll give it 13% of width. Okay, now what I can do, I'll go here and I will align it to the right left, and I'll go here. I will align it to the end or right. Again I'll go here in the button widget and I will align it to the left. Let's see. Here you can see now we have the proper structure like we have here, but now we need to add this styling to this header. So I'll go here. Let's start with this menu. So first of all, here you can see it has some decoration like underline. So what I'll do here, we have the pointer option. So I'll remove this pointer and make it none. We need no animation like here you can see now that is pointer is removed, and layout is horizontal and vertical is also available. Here you can see you can use the vertical and then a drop down. Here you can see. So we will use the vertical option. After that we have option for sub menu indicator, like if there is a sub menu then this icon will be shown on that item. Okay, the full width. Let's go to the style, and here we will go to the typography, and we will use typography. Let's make it Nanito, sorry, Nanito Sans. Okay, and I'll make it 16, and in the transformation I'll make it uppercase, and weight I'll give it a weight of 700. I think let's see how much here we are using. It's no, it's not 700. It's 700, but its size is little bit more. Now let's change the color to black. I'll go here, change the color. I think yes, color, and now we have the option. We can adjust the size, space between. So I think space between is already minimum, but we need to decrease it more, so we will use horizontal padding. So I'll go here, make it this one 17. I think 16, 14 is better. Okay, so let's see now. Yes, now let's set up the hover and active color. I'll go here, the hover color should be this one and the active color should also be this one. Let's publish and save. Let's go here and let's click on it. Here you can see the hover color and we'll click on it. Okay, the active color is this one. So actually this is not something like active color is on this page it's showing. Actually this is not that header. You can see this page home is not using the default header. The reason I'll show you. I'll go back in the dashboard, and here we will go to the appearance menu. We created the main menu, but we did not set up it as the primary menu or header menu. So let's set up it, let's save it, and let's go on the front end view, home. Here you can see the actually the main menu order. You can see it is fixed because the main menu is now set up as the primary menu, but still the header is not showing the, because the issue is that in the header we will go here, display conditions, and from here we will add it as entire website. Okay, so let's save and close. Now we'll go here and you can see the header is set up, display on this home page, and the hover effect, you can see hover color and the active color. Now let's style the button. So I'll go here, back to editor, click on button, and here I'll change this text to contact. and from here we can select contact page link. And now let's go to the style, and first of all let's see it's yes. Okay, because we have capital letters, so we'll go here in the typography, and in the transform I'll make it capital letter, and I increase its weight to 600, and decrease its size up to 16 or maybe 14, and let's do its color. Its background color I'll make it blue, and hover color it should be this accent color. So here you can see contact. So this button is styling is also completed. Let's see on the front end. Here you can see, let's refresh. But now there is an issue that the logo, this menu and button is not vertically aligned. So we'll go to the main container, and I'll go here in align items. When I'll make it center, you will feel the changings here. You can see that. Here you can see these two items just slide little bit down. So I'll publish. Now these are looking good. Let me see if it is possible to make it right side. Let's publish. Now yes, now this is looking good. So our header is completed. Okay, let's see it in the mobile, in the tab. So now here we need to adjust the container size. So I'll make it, instead of 62 in the percentage, I'll go and I'll make it 50 for the tab. Now this is looking good, and again I need to make it center. Let's see how it is. Yes, this is fine. Now we'll go to the mobile, and in the mobile what we will do, we will keep a logo and this menu in the inline. So what I'll do, I'll go here in the container and I'll make it percentage, and I'll make it 50. 45 it's also good. So again I'll go here, and in the percentage I'll make it 55. And let's decrease it some more. Like here you can see, now these are in the same line. And what we can do, we can go to this container, and we will go in advanced and mobile responsive, and we will hide it in mobile. Here you can see. Now here you can see we have the header, logo and menu already have contact, so we have hide it. Now here vertically both logo and this menu is not aligned properly, so we'll go to the okay, main container, and this is already vertically centered. So I think the issue is here. I'll go here, and here I will make it no change. Then I think something is inside the widget. So I'll go here, and in the style there should be, yes, distance. So here you can see. Now this is centered and align better. Let's see. Here you can see. Now this is very good. So now let's add a display rule, so you should understand that how it would work. I'll go here, add a rule. I'll select singular and then a page. Let's see, page, From all singular, I'll go for the page singulars, and in the all pages I'll select the, let's say, about page. Let's save it, save and close. Let's go on the front end. Let's refresh the page. Now go to the home. So on the home page, that header is removed. You will see that only on about page. Here you can see on the services, portfolio, blog, contact. So right now only about page has this header. So let's go back to the editor, and here I'll go to the display conditions. Now let's make another condition. I'll make it again singular, like single page, and I'll go to the pages, and from here I'll select the blogs. Let's save and close. Now I'll go to the front end, refresh, and let's go to the blog. Here you can see this is the header, but portfolio, services, home, and contact, these pages does not have that header, because we did not make the rule for that. So let's go back to here. I'll go here, display conditions, remove them, and let's make it entire website, save it, and let's go here and refresh the page. Now you can see on the home page, about page, services, portfolio, blogs, contact, on every page the header is showing. Back to the editor, display rule. Here we have some more options. Let's say I'll go here and singular, and from here I'll select the post. So you can add the same things. You can add with the post, all post, and you can select a single post, and you can select the post in categories, like by you can select a category, on that category only this header will be appear. And